Hello. Wanted to make a short video on my current airsoft gun, and I did something that I'm pretty proud of. So this is a Magpul PRS Lite. These are designed for real rifles and not airsoft replicas. And the main difference between the two is that inside of the buffer tube you require a battery, which I currently have up here. On this stock, there's no room for a battery or any electronics, such as a MOSFET. This only has room for a buffer tube. But what I designed, really, was a way for you to have a battery on the top rail, where it's on my rifle, not obstructing the sight. And I designed a way for the wires to travel from the gearbox into the buffer tube, which currently has my MOSFET, fuse, and some other wiring. And then the connector comes out of the castle nut, where you can plug it into the battery and have your gun functioning and be able to use any stock you want. Yeah, that's about it, but it was a lot of work, and I'm proud of it. Figured I'd share it. Have a good day.